Waterton Lakes National Park Overview and Travel Guide. Waterton Lakes National Park is located in Alberta, Canada's southwest corner. It shares a boundary with Montana's Glacier National Park. Waterton National Park, established in 1895 and named after Charles Waterton, was Canada's fourth national park. Its range extends from the Rocky Mountains to the prairies. This park spans 505 square kilometers of severe terrain and wilderness. Waterton is accessible all year and is run by Parks Canada, however the peak tourist season is in July and August. The park's only commercial facilities are at the Waterton Park town site. The elevation of this park ranges from 4,232 feet near the town site to 9,547 feet at Mount Blackiston. It has a number of beautiful paths, including the Crypt Lake Trek. Waterton Lakes National Park is regarded as one of the most beautiful sites in the Canadian Rockies by visitors from all over the world. And it's not without reason. Waterton is located where Alberta's rolling plains meet the majestic Rocky Mountains, and it is home to a broad range of species, hundreds of different wildflowers, and some of North America's best hiking. No matter what season it is, the town of Waterton Lakes National Park is the ideal place for adventure, pleasure, and leisure. Waterton is a charming community of roughly 100 people located around 3 hours from Calgary and less than 2 hours from Lethbridge, giving it the ideal location to get away from it all. Whether you want to unwind with a spa day or play a round of golf, climb a mountain, or kayak across a crystal clear lake, you'll find it all here. This year, make Waterton your vacation spot. Things to do in Waterton National Park. 1. Hike Bears Hump. Bears Hump, a short Alberta walk in Waterton National Park, is a must-do. It's a fantastic hike in the Canadian Rockies because almost anyone can make it up to Bears Hump and enjoy spectacular views of the park. Montana can easily be seen from here on a clear day. It's a lovely, quick, and pleasant hike that each Waterton visitor should take. 2. Hike the Crypt Lake Trail. The Crypt Lake Trail in Waterton National Park has been dubbed one of the world's most exhilarating walks and one of Canada's top routes. Hikers can get to the trailhead by boat from Waterton Township and spend the entire day on the trail. Over the course of 10 kilometers, the trail climbs 900 meters through the Canadian Rockies. 3. Have a tea at the Prince of Wales Hotel. One of the nicest things to do in Waterton National Park after hiking is to have high tea at the stunning Prince of Wales Hotel. There aren't a lot of places in the world where you can drink tea than in Prince of Wales Hotel. The scenery is breathtaking, and the Prince of Wales Hotel is a landmark in the park. 4. Listen to ghost stories at the Prince of Wales Hotel. Consider listening to some old stories if you're looking for something to do in Waterton in the evening. The Great Northern Railway erected the Prince of Wales in 1927, and entering it feels like going back in time. Coming in here is a unique experience, from the decor, rooms, and elevator to the cocktails. The staff of the Prince of Wales also shares tales from Waterton, and even a few scary stories from the hotel every evening at 8 p.m. Both guests and non-guests are welcome. Alberta's most scenic routes. There are lots of pull-off places along the 9 kilometers of rolling hills, mountains, and grassland plains. You can drive it, bring your own bike, or rent a bike from Pat's downtown and cycle the entire distance. 6. Hike the Red Rock Canyon. The famed Red Rock Canyon is located at the end of the Red Rock Canyon Parkway. Waterton National Park's most impressive landmark, and one that can be explored on a short hike. This is a popular destination, especially on weekends, so arrive early. 7. Enjoy an ice cream downtown. Although downtown Waterton is modest, it offers a variety of activities as well as places to eat near Lake Waterton. Wieners of Waterton, the Taco Bar, and the Thirsty Bear are some of the tourist places to eat. On a hot summer day, we couldn't resist stopping by the Big Scoop Ice Cream Parlor for some ice cream. 8. Explore Lake Waterton. It's crucial to get out on Lake Waterton while you're there, whether by kayak, canoe, or stand-up paddleboard, especially on a hot day. It's one of the nicest things to do in Waterton. Pat's Waterton rents paddleboards and kayaks if you don't have your own. 9. Explore Cameron Falls. Cameron Falls is another amazing Waterton attraction. It's easy to reach from the ground level and breathtakingly lovely. You can watch fresh mountain water pour down and stand on the viewing bridge to be splashed with cool mist. 10. Hike to Lower Bertha Falls and Bertha Lake. In terms of difficulty, the Lower Bertha Falls hike is similar to Bear's Hump, but instead of views of another nation, you'll be rewarded with waterfall sprays. This is a perfect hike for kids because it has simple terrain and little elevation gain. You'll see plenty of vistas of Waterton Lake on your trip to the falls. Once you've reached the falls, you may make this a longer trip by continuing on to Bertha Lake, which is another 3 kilometers away. A stunning green-blue lake is the reward. 11. Take a boat tour around Waterton Lakes. Every day, the Waterton Marina offers boat cruises around Waterton Lake. They provide mini cruises per day for $55 per adult. It's a wonderful way to spend some time on the water. With a quick pit stop in Goat Hunt in Glacier National Park in Montana, you'll also cross the border between Canada and the United States. The trip operates throughout the summer, and the knowledgeable team will provide you with information about Waterton National Park's details and history. Lastly, play golf. The Waterton Lakes Golf Course is one of Canada's oldest courses. This is an 18-hole golf course that golfers will enjoy. This course was built between 1929 and 1939, and was inspired by Stanley Thompson's design. Where to stay in Waterton National Park. 1. Prince of Wales Hotel. 2. Aspen Village Bayshore Inn and Amp, Spa. 3. Bear Country Inn and Suites. 4. Bear Mountain Motel. 5. Castle Waterton Camping. 6. Corner Mountain Inn. 7. Crandall Mountain Campground. 8. Crandall Mountain Lodge. 9. Crooked Creek Campground. 10. Fort Heritage and Amp, Frontier RV Park. 11. Northland Lodge. 12. Rocky Ridge Country Lodge. 13. Waterton Glacier Suites. 14. Waterton Lakes Lodge Resort. Last but not the least, Waterton Townsite Campground.